Hello, and welcome to Solar Insure, your trusted partner for a worry-free solar experience. We provide homeowners with a 30-year solar monitoring and warranty solution to ensure peace of mind as you start your solar journey. For over 15 years, Solar Insure has been driven by a passion for renewable energy and its potential to transform the world by slowing down climate change and fostering energy independence. Our mission is to protect consumer investments in solar and accelerate the transition to renewable energies. As solar power gains popularity, consumers need reliable protection and support. Solar warranties can vary, causing confusion and uncertainty. Solar Insure simplifies this with a 30-year software monitoring and warranty covering parts, labor, and roof penetrations. This ensures long-term stability for your solar installation. Our 30-year monitoring and warranty solution stands out in the industry. We offer a zero-deductible plan with coverage for parts, labor, and roof penetrations. We also provide transferable ownership and a trusted installer support network. Our warranty goes beyond what typical manufacturers offer and includes a state-of-the-art monitoring system for your solar installation. Our monitoring technology reports component failures, helping your installer or service provider respond quickly. We cover parts and labor with zero deductible, protecting you and future generations with an insurance-backed warranty covering manufacturer defaults. Our software monitoring and warranty are also transferable in case you sell your home. We work exclusively with solar installers that meet our high-quality workmanship and customer service standards. Our rigorous vetting process ensures company background checks, contractor license checks, insurance requirements, credit checks, OSHA checks, and online reputation assessments. Solar Insure certified partners are the best in the industry, and we stand by the quality of their work. We also work with only the best manufacturers in the solar industry. We partner with manufacturers that meet our stringent criteria for longevity, quality, strong financial history, and a total number of installed products. You can trust that our approved manufacturers deliver top-tier solar components. At Solar Insure, we prioritize providing quality service to our customers. We offer 5-star customer support, hassle-free online claims, and no hidden fees. Our warranties cover parts and labor, ensuring you won't face unexpected expenses. For over 15 years, our passion has been to help grow the solar industry by making the customer's experience the best possible. Solar Insure offers numerous advantages for solar homeowners, such as 5-star customer service, component monitoring, increased home value, easy online claims, and the longest protection available. Our monitoring and warranties ensure customer satisfaction and increased resaleability of your home. Our simple process starts when you purchase the monitoring and warranty from our approved contractor. After your solar installation is completed, your installer will register your system with us. Once registered, we provide you with a product registration form, and you can access our welcome packet online. Our 30-year coverage begins on the day your system starts producing energy. To make the most of your Solar Insure warranty, add your solar system to your homeowner's insurance, enable active monitoring with your inverter, and keep an eye out for your product registration form email from Solar Insure. We handle the rest. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope you have a great solar journey.